Without great people, I don't know how any of us in the facilities world would get anything accomplished. When I think of great people, the first name that comes to mind for me is Dave Lillge. Let me tell you, he is definitely a superstar within our school district. And as his supervisor, he is a facility manager's model employee. Dave is not only a true expert and professional, he brings to the team intelligence, hard work ethics, ability to operate in any environment, and skills which bring a ton of value to the district.
Well, Dave has brought to us, the skills of the trade of an electrician. Um, what has happened in our district is we've hired folks with a specific skill set, and what it's done is it's allowed us to not have to contract out for specific services. So in his case, electrical services, which has resulted in significant savings of time and money, but probably single-handedly has saved us over $250,000 over the years, just not having to call other subcontractors to come in and do the work, as well as he's right here. If we need something done, we can get him on it and take care of business right away. It just provides a better service to our schools, keeps us up and running, and keeps folks happy.
Dave has always been self-motivated and does not need any supervision. He works closely with building leaderships and teaching staff to ensure they are provided the best and safest learning environments possible. He serves on our building facilities and safety teams, representing maintenance and all matters of safety and security.
From a district and community aspect, I guess I would point to the work that Dave has done with us along our energy efficiency grants and our energy efficiency money. He has really gone a long way toward raising the ratings, energy efficiency ratings for a couple of our buildings, in terms of, again, making use of the energy efficiency monies, but to put in certain types of lightings and to just work with our systems to maximize their efficiency.
Simply put, he provides outstanding service to those who study, work, and teach here in Menasha. His diligence and his quality of work and his everyday task and his dedication to Menasha Joint School District are above reproach. And we are all very proud of his selection for the WASBO Facilities Maintenance Professional of the Year award. Congratulations, Dave. You have earned it.
It's an honor to get this award. It's always really nice to know that the job you're doing is appreciated by the people that you work with. First of all, I'd like to thank Dave Elliott, the supervisor of buildings and grounds, for giving us the opportunity to succeed here and giving us the tools and the knowledge we need. And he's built a really good department here. We have a lot of knowledge in this department, which makes the job pretty easy. I'd like to also thank Menasha Joint School District for giving me an opportunity to work here. Everyone that works here is very good. Everyone's very knowledgeable. Keep doing what you're doing. Every one of them deserves this award as much as I do.